Hello everyone. Today we will start exercise 8.3 chapter number 8 comparing quantities. Okay. So I have taken question on compound interest. Simple interest we have done in your previous classes also. Okay. So today we will learn how to calculate compound interest and amount. Your question is calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.5% per year. Okay, 12.5% you can write here per annum, compounded annually. Okay, that means we have to calculate the compound interest and amount annually. Sometimes you can get questions based on half yearly also. Okay, so just now we are doing compounded annually means for 1 year. Okay. Now rupees 10,800. What is this rupees 10,800? This is your principal amount. Suppose I am writing here P for principal. We have taken a loan of rupees 10,800 for 3 years. So this 3 years is your time. At what percent? Your rate percent is 12.5%. And when you calculate this 12.5, it will become 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2%. Okay. Now how you will calculate? So you have to remember one formula to calculate compound interest in amount. First we will find amount. Now what is formula to find amount? Amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate percent upon 100 whole power t, or you can write n also. This t is for time. Okay, and n stands for number of years. You can use t and n both. Now first of all, what is your principal? Your principal is 10,800. Then what is the rate percent? 12.5. I have calculated 25 upon 2, and this 100 from the formula. Time is given 3 years. So first of all we will solve this. See, you can cut here. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Okay. Now what is remaining? 1,800, and in bracket 1 plus 1 upon, in denominator 2 multiplied by 4, so this will become 8. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Now 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 8. This can only be solved by taking LCM. You cannot solve it directly. So when you take LCM of 1 and 8, what you will get? The LCM of 1 and 8 is 8 only. How many times 8 will come in this denominator? 1, 8 times. So you will multiply this 8 into numerator. So 8 ones are 8. Plus, how many times your LCM 8 will come in table of 8? 8 ones are 8. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Okay. So 8 plus 1, 9 upon 8. So I am writing here 10,800 multiplied by 9 upon 8 and whole power 3. Whole power 3 means this 9 upon 8 you have to multiply 3 times. Next step I am solving here. 10,800 multiply by 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. Why 3 times? Because whole power is 3. Okay. Now try to reduce it. I am cutting this by 8. 8 ones are 8. Now 28 is remaining. 8 threes are 24. 28 minus 24 is 4. 4 0 40. 8 5 is 40 and 0. Now 2 fours are 8 and 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 5s are 0. Now you cannot reduce. See, all are odd number and denominator even, so you cannot reduce it. So what is remaining? 675 multiply by 9, multiply by 9 and multiply by 9, and upon what is remaining? 8 4 is 32. 8 4 is 32. Or you can write 8 into 4. We can multiply in the next step. 4 multiply by 8. Now multiply 675 into 9 into 9 into 9. When you multiply this all, you will get 4 9 2 0 7 5. Okay, what you will get? When you multiply this, you will get this, and 4 8 is 32. Now this 492075 divided by 32 will give you 15,377. 15,377.34. This is your amount. They are calculating amount. So here we have calculated amount. Finally, we will find compound interest. What is formula to find compound interest? Amount minus principal. Okay, amount minus principal. So what is your amount? Your amount is 15377.34 minus what is your principal? 10,800. Okay. When you reduce this, when you subtract this, what you will get? This 3 4 will come as it is. 7 minus 0 is 7. Again 7 minus 0 is 7. 3 minus 8 you cannot subtract. So borrow 1. 30 minus 8 5. So this will become 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Okay. So what is your final answer? Your compound interest is actually this both is your answer. This is your amount and this is your compound interest. This is the process to find compound interest and amount. Okay.